So my name is Crystal McDonough. I am the owner of McDonough Law and also licensed attorney in Colorado and Wyoming. My favorite thing about being an attorney is that I get to help people on a daily basis. Sometimes I get to help people with really achieving some great things, starting a new business, helping them with their estate planning, working through some regulatory compliance issues to help them keep moving projects and business forward. Sometimes I help people with some hard things, when they've lost a loved one through like a probate or an estate administration, or I'm helping people through some tough situations where they've been sued and I'm representing them in a lawsuit or a contract disagreement where we're trying to solve problems and minimize impact to their personal lives or to their businesses. Been practicing law since 2013. I went to law school as a second career, really. I was in business for about 15 years before I decided to go to law school. So this has been a really fun transition for me. I've been used to being on the business and entrepreneur side for a long time. So moving into the legal side and the law side has been a lot of fun because I get to take a lot of that experience that I had with my own businesses and my husband's businesses and put that into my own company with the law firm and also help my clients with their businesses. I think it gives me a really unique perspective when it comes to business and legal representation. I really enjoy working with businesses. I spend about half of my time in my legal practice working with anywhere from startups to medium-sized companies, small companies to large corporate companies on all kinds of various issues ranging from, again, new formations, compliance, contract disputes, litigation, just various general counsel representation. The other half of my practice, I do a lot of natural resources work, oil and gas, water, land use, farm and ranch, agriculture, a lot of energy and natural resources work, public utilities work, and a lot of compliance, regulatory compliance, including regulatory litigation. So those are my focus areas. I also have a master's degree in energy and natural resources from the University of Wyoming, which gives me a really unique perspective and some great experience that I bring to the table. It's really fun. I love our team. I love our clients. I think we've built an amazing group of people to work with, anyone from attorneys, paralegals, legal staff, and support. We've got a great team and a great environment that we work in. We all work from a distributed locations. We're all over the country and we all work remotely, which has been a unique experience. I think we started doing this 9 years ago this way. I set up the law firm to do this because I wanted the flexibility to be able to work from anywhere. And I decided if I was going to have that same flexibility, I wanted everybody in my team to have that. So it's been a really great way to work, a great way to build a team. And we've been able to really recruit amazing talent that we wouldn't be able to find otherwise. One of the challenges in talking to some of my colleagues who own law firms around the country is finding good talent that lives in their location or who want to relocate. That's a hard thing to do. I've been able to bridge that gap because we've got amazing talent that work for our firm from all over the country. And we've been doing it this way before COVID. So when COVID hit and all the other companies and firms shut down, we were business as usual. We were already up and running. We already had the system in place. It didn't impact us one bit. In fact, our firm grew 20% during COVID because we were already ready to go. We were set up. So, and I think the team culture is really the key to who we are. Everything we do, we are a team. We function as a team. We have 2 attorneys at minimum on every case. We have a lot of amazing paralegals and staff that work with us on our cases. And it's just been really fun to to watch our team grow and to see our clients really thrive under our representation. Well, I love traveling. I love traveling. My favorite thing to do is to hop in the truck with our fifth wheel and head out to some campground or some destination. We got to do this for a lot of years with our family, traveling with our kids as they were growing up. My kids are older now. I've got two kids in college, one's still in high school, but it was such a great experience to be able to travel all over the country. I think that's probably my favorite thing to do is to travel. Although I have to tell you, I also have a lot of enjoyment in my garden. We've got a little piece of property out in western Colorado. I've got a huge garden. If I'm not working, you will probably find me out in my garden pulling weeds or picking tomatoes or something like that. It always brings me a lot of joy. I enjoy getting out there and digging in the dirt. If anyone needs to contact me, you can reach me through our website. We've got a contact us page there. You can also call our main office number, 970-776-3311. You can also email me at crystal@mcdonoughllawllc.com.